What are the misconceptions that people have about tax audits? Attorney William Kunofsky explains that. The folklore surrounding IRS audits is amazing. Many TV shows, movies, and even Reader's Digest. There used to be a TV show called All in the Family, and the hero of it was a guy named Archie Bunker. He was audited by the IRS. He stammered, shook, swore that he was afraid. He came into it with the feeling that he was going to jail. Very few people go to jail, but people are worried that they have fictitious numbers or they cannot substantiate what they have claimed, and they have estimated numbers and they cannot substantiate them, or they have forgotten to include income. Now the government is going to come down upon them. The IRS typically sees tax return audits as an adjustment in tax, opportunity to assess penalties, and charge interest for the unpaid tax. The IRS is on the lookout for fraud. Few people are accused of fraud. You are not going to jail just because you are being audited. Usually, you just owe money. Maybe there would be some penalty and interest. Fraud penalties, civil fraud penalties, criminal prosecution can happen as a result of an audit. Civil penalties are very common. Fraud is rare. Prosecution is even rarer. The IRS auditor has to have substantial evidence of a fraud to even approach that and must get management involved. They are pretty certain of their position, and it is a serious matter at that point. But if an individual is missing a simple set of receipts or has minimal receipts in an area, that is not necessarily fraud, because when you sign on the tax return, you are saying to the best of your knowledge. Sometimes estimates are appropriate. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney William Kunofsky in Dallas, Texas at 214-369-1040 or visit his website at www.debtfighters.com.